Now let's take a look at our LCD display and maintenance reminders. The Mobile Pro Mini features a backlit, capacitive touch LCD display, which is equipped with smart maintenance tracking capabilities and pre-programmed maintenance reminders. Let's start with the pre-filter maintenance reminders. At 90 hours, the LCD will display order filter. At this time, go ahead and order your pre-filter. At 100 hours, the LCD will display change filter and flash a red light fault LED. It is now time to replace your pre-filter. It is critical to replace your pre-filter on or even before schedule for optimized system performance. If your pre-filter has not been replaced, the fault LED will flash a red light indicator and the LCD will display filter past due. Next, we're going to discuss the membranes and the SpotZero Mobile Pro Mini's maintenance reminders. At 490 hours, the LCD will display order membrane and flash a red light fault LED, notifying you that it's time to order both of your RO membranes. You will need to order 2. At 500 hours, the LCD will display change membrane and flash a red light fault LED. It is now time to replace both of your RO membranes. If the membrane changes past due, the fault LED will flash a red light indicator and the LCD screen will display membrane past due. You may experience longer or shorter membrane effective lifespan depending on your feed water quality and maintenance practices. If you experience decreased hose pressure and high ppm, it may be time to replace your membranes.